In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple stops in Google Maps. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to open up your Google Maps application. And from here, you want to type in the location where you first want to go. So for example, I want to go to this specific location here and just click on the start button that you see on your screen. So for you to actually add a stop, you just need to hover over along this path that Google gave you and just click on the location that you want to add a stop and just basically click on the add stop option here. But if you have a specific place in mind, you could just click on the search bar here, search icon, and from here, for example, you want to stop over to a specific place, like say you want to stop over a gas stations here. Just click on gas stations and you'll see all the gas stations along the path that you'll be going to your destination. So if you want a specific location that you want to stop over, just click on or search here the location that you want to go. So for example, I want to go to this specific location here. Just type on it, and from here you just want to click on that specific location. So for example, this one. And here just click on the add stop option, and that should do it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.